In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an Eventbrite link. If you want to share your event with attendees, post it on social media, or send it in an email or message, copying your Eventbrite link is a quick and simple process. In the web version of Eventbrite, you can do this in two easy ways. I'll walk you through both methods clearly so you can choose whichever one feels fastest for you. First, let's look at the quickest method, which is copying the link directly from your event dashboard. Start by going to the Eventbrite website in your browser. Once you're there, log in to your account. After signing in, click Manage My Events or open your event dashboard if it appears right away. From there, select the event you want to share. When your event opens, look near the top of the page for the section labeled Event Link. This is the direct URL for your Eventbrite event page. Once you find it, highlight the full link carefully so you don't miss any part of it. Then copy it using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On a Mac, press Command and C. At that point, your Eventbrite link is copied and ready to paste wherever you need it, whether that's a website, a message, or a post. Now let's go over the second method, which is using the Share button. This option can be even more convenient if you're already viewing the event page itself. Open your event page in Eventbrite, then look for the Share button. Click it, and you should see an option that says Copy Link. Select that option, and the link will automatically be copied to your clipboard. You won't need to manually highlight anything in this method, which makes it especially helpful if you want a faster one-click option. As a quick tip, after copying the link, it's always a good idea to paste it somewhere first, just to confirm that it copied correctly. This can save time if you're about to send it to a lot of people. Also, make sure you're copying the correct event if you manage multiple events inside Eventbrite. So to quickly recap, open your event, find the event link, and copy it manually, or use the Share button and choose Copy Link. Both methods work well, and both will give you a shareable Eventbrite URL in just a few seconds.